Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off Gemini Google Assistant in Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to open up your Google app on your Android mobile phone. And as you can see here, I have opened my Google app. And we need to go to the Google setting to turn off the Gemini Google Assistant on our Android mobile phone. I'm going to tap on my profile and then we can go to the settings. Okay, and then we're going to scroll down until we find the Gemini Google Assistant. Okay, and if you want to turn it off, you can select this option, Digital Assistant from Google, and then you can switch from Gemini to Google Assistant. Okay, like this, and it will turn off your Gemini Assistant on your Android mobile phone. And then if you want to turn off your Google Assistant as well, you can go back to the setting and then you're going to choose the Google Assistant setting. Okay, select Google Assistant and then you're going to choose voice match. Okay, and here you will be able to turn off your Google Assistant. Okay, alright, and now it's done. Now the Gemini and also Google Assistant have been turned off. Okay guys, and that's all the way to turn off the Gemini Assistant in Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.